Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to put together a shoe rack. I had a rack that I was using in here to put my shoes on the bottom of the shelf when I come into the house. However, I needed that in the garage, so I decided to go on Amazon and find a rack. So I'm going to use that. I put you guys on what they call time lapse, so you can watch me build it. But let me show you what I got. Okay, this is the actual rack. These are the pieces that goes to it. It's called a, what is that? Mava vague. I don't know how to pronounce that. But it's very flimsy. I didn't think it was going to be as flimsy, but it was for like $30, so I don't know why I didn't think that. But it's like, those are plastic pieces. These are, I think they're 10. They're not heavy at all, so it may not hold. But this is my current situation right now. I'm coming in from my garage door. I just got a bunch of shoes and boots all over the floor, and then a random grow bag because I had my shoes in here. When I took my shelf outside, and I was just stacking them in here, but I hate going through them and looking and stacking them on top of each other. And then that's a random bag I just threw there from the Dollar Tree. Put some gardening stuff in there. So I need to move that, but these are all my freaking shoes that I've been wearing and boots that I need to put the shelf together and stack it up. So put you guys on the time lapse and let you guys see me put this together. Then we'll see what it looked like in the end. Again, I will leave everything in the description box below for you. So okay guys, it is completed. I did have 2 extra pipes, a long one and a short one, which is good because that one bent. So this is the finished product. Here's these little hanging things to hang, I don't know what, something on, maybe an umbrella or something. But is it level? I don't think so, but I'm going to sit it on the ground and put my shoes on it, and we'll see from there. So okay, I'm going to use my Method squirting mop. I'm gonna let it dry. Okay. Okay, I forgot to put these little things on. There's some kind of like little plastic slips for the top. So I added those on so that on the top shelf, if you want to put something up there, it won't fall through. So, floor is still drying, so I'm not ready for that yet. But we'll come back once the floor dry and put everything on the script. Okay, we have finished and it looks 100% better. I even have room. I didn't have enough room for my boots. I might take those shorter boots and put them up at the top, but my Ugg boots are kind of long, so they didn't fit down there all the way. A little bit too long for it. See? So I just put them up top. Because that's pretty much what I'm going to use this for. It's just for a shoe rack. And I put my shredder back right there for when I come in the house and I have mail to shred. I can just shred it, junk mail. And yeah, it's, a little teeny bit wobbly, but I don't think it'll bend or anything. It'll serve its purpose for 30-some bucks. Again, I'll link it in the description box below. But I think it turned out pretty good. And it didn't take me too long to put it together. So, I don't know, I didn't time it. But it didn't take too long. So, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.